Welcome back to Master English with Mr. Ridwan. Well, in this time we are going to learn about skill 8. Okay, use other adverb connectors correctly. Adverb last time is time and cost. Adverb clauses can express the ideas of time and cost. It's the same rules with time and cost as you saw in skill 7, but in adverb clause can also express in a number of others, such as so many in adverb clause. There's contrast, condition, manner, and a place. In skill 7 only to type and a cost. Look at the example, same structures. I will leave at 7 if I am ready. If that adverb connector, I subject, will leave is verb. I is subject, this is verb. Okay, if we put in the middle, there is no comma. But if we put at the first or behind, okay, we put comma here. Okay, although I was late, I managed to catch the train. For example, try to answer it, guys. Which one do you want to answer? A, B, C, or D? You is a subject, will get as a verb. Okay, provided is connector, adverb of connectors. Okay, and we need subject and a verb here. So this one note only verb, only verb is no to this one's. You study, subject, verb. So the answer is D. So let's go into the conclusion. You have to memorize this one, guys. The following chart lists adverb, contrast, condition, manner, and a place connector, and the sentence patterns used with them. Other adverb connector. So condition, if, in case, provided, and list, whether. Contrast, although, even though, while, whether. Manner, as, in that. Place, where, and whenever. Well, guys, look at the structure. If we put in the middle, okay, subject is Bob when it's verb. He is subject, Phil is verb. Okay, adverb connector, if we put in the behind, we put here comma. But look at note, okay, read carefully. A comma is often used in the middle of the sentence with a contrast connector. There is another condition. If we in the contrast, sometimes even talk in the middle, we put comma. Look at this one, subject, verb, we put comma, even talk in the middle. In reality, in the formula, if we put in the middle, we can't put comma. Okay, but it's special for contracts. Also, even talk, while, and whereas. But condition, manner, place, we don't have to put comma in the middle. If they in the middle, understand? Okay, well, let's go to the next exercise 8. Okay, take your book and your pad. We try to do exercise if you understand. Number 1 is correct. What is it correct? Is it subject, verb? Okay, there's subject, verb. There is adverb connector, subject, verb. Totally right. Number 2, why is incorrect? This one, subject, verb. Okay, subject, verb. It misses adverb connector. There is no adverb connector here. Actually, we have to put here because there is comma in the middle. Well, number 3, subject, verb. Okay, there is adverb connector. Okay, there is adverb connector, there is no comma. Okay, he or she subject, where is verb? there's no verb here. It means that number 3 is incorrect. Number 5, while okay, this is adverb connector, most student is a subject, this is a verb. Okay, there's comma, okay, because there's while here behind a few subject and a verb asked for. It means that number 4 is correct. I is a subject, will take is a verb. Whenever is a adverb connector needs to is verb, but it misses subject. It means that number 5 is incorrect. Number 6, I is a subject, will wait is verb. We try to find out, okay, whether is a adverb connector, this is a subject, this is a verb. It means that number 6 is correct. Number 7, providing is okay, is adverb, there's comma in the middle, okay, there's comma. The envelope is subject, is a verb. Your application is a subject, but there's no verb here. Acceptable is adjective, yeah. If you find double like this, acceptable, capable, and etc. is adjective. Okay, there is no verb, missing verb here. It's means that number 7 is incorrect. Number 8, S, okay, is adverb connector, then subject verb, but number 8 missed comma here. We have to put comma here if the adverb connector behind. So number 8 is incorrect. Number 9, the exam, okay, subject verb will be intent is adverb connector, its subject covers its verb. Okay, this 9 is complex sentence, is mean that it correct. Number 10, the last, so is adverb connectors, it's no subject, it is a verb, okay, there's comma, okay, everyone is a subject, verb, is mean that is totally right. Number 10 is correct. Well guys, after this you may do exercise in page 215, skill 9, 6 until 8. Okay, there are 10 to it here in your home. Don't look at the answered. Okay, and exercise 6 and 10 is until 20. Yeah, look at this. Okay, try to do it in your home. And then the last is TOEFL review exercise 1 until 6, because we have learned skill 1 until 6, so that you may do it in your home. This until 10. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Don't be lazy and stay spirit. If there is something bothers your learning, try to fight with it. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you. See you in the next skill.